All right, on the real fishing. So I had one of my these the lettering come off, and so I end up ordering a replacement from C-Pro. So the replacement comes with all the letters. So the P came off. So yesterday, which I should have showed y'all on the video, yesterday I used this heat gun to heat and soften this the glue for the previous letters, and then I used this scraper. It's a plastic scraper, so I don't damage the gel coat on the boat. But now I'm going to take this 3M strip wheel, which is again, it doesn't damage the coat, but it's going to get this excess glue off. And so I'm gonna work on that, and then I'll show you guys as I go through it. Then after that, I'm going to replace the lettering. So I attached this the 3M tool to my drill, and I'm going to start removing this black glue. I got the P off, so I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of them off, and then I'll let you know what the next process is. So we'll see ya. The O all the way to the, just got the S and the E left. Coming off like butter. Nice little tool. So I got all the lettering off. Just gonna take this towel and wipe all the dust away. I still got a little bit of glue in some spots. I'm gonna get that off. And then next I'm gonna take some, I've got some hand sanitizer that I'll use to just wipe it off, or nice and neat. You know what I just discovered? Also, I got some scuff marks that you have to use chemicals to get off. It's getting that off too. So watch this, I'm gonna take that off. There we go. Only thing is it leaves like a little bit of a residue, so I think I'll have to use the alcohol or probably my hull cleaner to get that off, but it took the marks off. It's nice. All right, next I'm gonna take some hand sanitizer and just put on this towel, or you could use alcohol, but I just happen to have some hand sanitizer, so I'm gonna take that and just wipe the surface clean, kind of free of all the dust and particles. So it's kind of you can still see the markings of the C Pro there, which is okay. And then next I'm going to take a masking tape, and I'm going to put the masking tape on, so when I put the new letters on, I have a straight line. All right, so here's the replacement letters that I have. So these are from C Pro, so they're the same as the original. So I'm gonna do it one by one. And also here's the tape that I put on, just to kind of give me a guide on how to put it back. And since the letters kind of still have their mark, I'm gonna use that as a guide to where to place the letters. All right, so I got the SC on. So once you put them on, you only have a little bit of time before you can get them off. I mean, you can get them off, but you have to heat them again. They stick pretty well, but I think it looks pretty good. So we're gonna put the rest of the letters on. There we go. Got the C Pro logo replaced. Not bad for an amateur. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Wasn't too bad. Took me about maybe 20 minutes. On the Real Fishing out.